Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute bag. I use 5mm hook, wooden base, ribbon yarn. Insert your hook into this space. Take yarn, pull up yarn, go to next space, pull up yarn, pull through, go to next space, pull up yarn, like this, go to next space, pull up yarn, and continue, pull up yarn, pull up yarn, I will make this row and come back. I made this stitch until here. Insert your hook into next space, pull up yarn, insert your hook into last space, pull up yarn. I show insert your hook into first space, a slip stitch like this, make a chain. We made one chain in here. Insert your hook into this chain, into this space like this. We have this space between. Insert your hook between these yarns like this. I show. Insert your hook, hide this yarn under a stitch, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through two yarns together. Insert your hook under this yarn, take this yarn on your hook, go to same stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn. Now we have 1 2 3 yarns on hook, pull through all of them, insert your hook under this yarn, last yarn, go to between of this stitch, go to next space, pull up yarn, pull through, go to under last yarn, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. Continue like this. Take this yarn on your hook, go to between of these yarns, go to this space, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. Take this yarn, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through, go to under this yarn, go to same stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. Take this yarn, go to next stitch, pull through, in same stitch, pull through. Take this yarn, next stitch, pull through. Take this yarn, same stitch, pull through, next stitch, pull through, same stitch, pull through. Take this yarn, next stitch, pull through, same stitch, pull through, and continue like this. Make 2 stitch in each stitch. I made this stitch. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next space, pull up yarn, pull through all of them, go to same stitch, pull through. Take this yarn, go to next space, last space, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. Take this yarn on your hook, go to last space, in same space, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. In here, go to top of first stitch. Take these yarns on your hook, I show, pull up yarn, pull through, and make a slip stitch. Make a chain, go to same space in here, pull up yarn over, pull through all of them, 2 yarns together. Take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, take 2 yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 3 yarns together. Take this yarn on your hook, 3rd yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. Take this yarn, go to next stitch, pull up yarn, pull through. Take this yarn, go to next stitch, take two yarns on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through. Take this yarn, go to next stitch, in next stitch, in next stitch, next stitch, next stitch, next stitch and make 1 stitch in each stitch. And continue. I made this row I show. Take this yarn, go to this stitch, pull up yarn, pull through all of them. In here, go to top of first stitch, take 2 yarns on your hook, these yarns, yarn over and slip stitch. I show. Make a chain, go to first stitch, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, take this yarn on your hook, take 2 yarns, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 stitch in each stitch. Take this yarn, go to next stitch, pull through, take this yarn in next stitch, pull through, take this yarn in next stitch, pull through, pull through, and continue like this 4 more rows. I made these rows. Take this yarn, go to next stitch, pull through, take this yarn on your hook, go to next stitch, pull through, take this yarn, pull through, go to top of first stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch, and continue. Make a chain, pull up yarn, make single crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 stitch in each stitch.